What's going on YouTube? This is your boy LB. I'm back here, guys. I'm gonna talk about AutoEdit. AutoEdit, it's a plugin which helps you to edit music video fast. So now you install it in Adobe Premiere Pro, and then you import your performance clip, MP3, and then the B-rolls, and then this AutoEdit just start editing your music video without doing anything. So guys, in this video I'm gonna use this AutoEdit plugin to edit my music video, and then at the end of this video I will show you the final result of this AutoEdit plugin did. Stick around. So now let's get jump on in the Premiere Pro and let me show you how it is. Let's go. So now, as you see, this is my workspace. Remember that I'm in a workspace of editing. Another things I have to show you my performance. Okay, so this is my performance clip which I'm going to use. Okay, it is 6, and this is the audio MP3. Here I have another B-rolls which am I going to use. Okay, so and let me come back here for this Premiere Pro, and I'm going to come here on this window, go here on this extension and AutoEdit. Okay, so guys, about this AutoEdit, it is just a plugin you have to install as normally like other softwares, and then after install it, and then you have to go here on this Premiere Pro, and you will find there on window extension. Okay, so here this is AutoEdit panel. Okay, so here we have upload, MP3, import, performance, and B-rolls. So now we have the three things which we are going to use. Okay, so first let me import my MP3. Okay, it is in performance, it is this one. Maybe it can be MP3, it can be WAV, there is no problem. And then you see guys, the audio, it is already in. So and I'm going to import my performance shots. Okay, so my performance shot, guys, it is this one. Okay, I have to select it all, depends how many the performance shots you have. Maybe it can be 10, 20, it can be 5, 2, there is no problem. Okay, so you have to import it. Okay, and then is already in, it is 6 file chosen. And then about my B-rolls, and I have to choose where my B-rolls it is, and also I have to select it all, and then you press OK, guys. So now I have already done import all the things I have to use. So now you have to press here on continue. Okay, now you see guys, all the clips is starting importing on Premiere Pro. So now this AutoEdit, it asks you select all layers. Okay, use command A or control plus A. I have to select it A. Okay, and then for the second you have to right click and then go on synchronize. So you have to right click here and then go here on synchronize. Guys, make sure you click on this clip, not when you click on the empty space, guys, you will receive nothing. Okay, so you have to click here on this clip, right click, go here on this synchronize, and then guys on the third one, then they say select audio option, mix down, and then select OK. So make sure this audio it is selected. Maybe for your first time when you choose this synchronized clip, you can see your dots, it can be here on this clip start or clip end. Make sure you click this audio, and then for this track channel, make sure it is mixed down, and then you press OK. Okay, so now it is gonna start to make the synchronize my clip, so I have to just wait a few seconds, guys. Okay, here it depends how many clips you have. If you have more clips like 20, it can take like a short minute for making synchronize. Okay, for me guys, I have the small clip, so it's here, it's gonna take like a few seconds. Okay, alright, so guys, the synchronization it is already done. So the things I have to do now, come back here for this AutoEdit and then click here on next. Okay, so here is gonna detecting this BPM. Okay, so and I have to wait also the few seconds. Here we're gonna receive another settings which we're gonna use. Okay, this one here we have the edit style, edit type, edit speed, and start time. Okay, so here guys, we have the three settings of edit. You have stairs, manually, randomly. Here guys, if you want to choose one of these, you have to come here, and then this is the stairs. This is how the stairs it looks like. It looks like real stairs, guys. This is manually, and then this is randomly. Here guys, I like to choose this randomly because this is the best edit types. You can use. Okay, so I have to edit, I have to choose this randomly. Okay, and then about the edit speed, guys, I have to choose first, because my video, my music, my audio, it is hip hop. Yes, I have to choose first. Okay, so now when you come here, you see how it is. Here we have the first for upper beat hyper song, you have chill for medium paced song. Here we have the calm for the slow songs. Okay guys, I have to choose first. You see how this first edit it is. Okay, chill it is this one, and then calm it is this one. Okay, so I have to choose first. For these start times, you know guys, it have to start it on 00000. Okay guys, and then the things I have to do, I have to click here on this proceed to random edit. So this is my b-rolls. Okay guys, about my b-rolls, first I have to choose it is music video. Yes, I have to enable it is music video, and then here too I have to choose this medium for the b-rolls, trimmer sensitivity. Okay, and then I have to click here for trim b-rolls. So now guys, here I'm done for doing my things. And then other process, it is for this auto edit, it is gonna start cutting b-rolls, is gonna cut my performance shot, is gonna just arranging my video. Okay, so let me just go to take my coffee and then start drinking, because I have to wait just until this auto edit will be done to edit my music video. Okay, so and I have to come back for making to check how this music it is. Okay, so now this auto edit is already done to trim, to arrange my video clip. So the things I have to do, I'm gonna first check it out and let's see how it is. Okay, so you see how where this music video is, this music audio is started, so that means this previous one is not necessary, so I have to delete these things which is in the front of this audio. Okay, so yeah, this is nice. So now let me try to put it here at the beginning of this timeline. So now I can play and let's see how it is. So and they have to arrange everything which is not perfectly, so perfectly. So first let me play, let's see how it is. Now guys, you see how this music video is, this is pretty nice. Okay, so so the things why I told you I have to fix there's some bad issues which is on this clip. Sometimes you see guys here on this blank, okay, you see there is some issues. That reason why I have to extend my music. Okay, something like this. Okay, even here I can extend something like that in order to avoid that blank. Okay, now you see everything is cool guys. Okay, so even the b-rolls guys, I think you got it. Okay, this is also the b-rolls. Okay, so the b-rolls, it is this clip which is on this v8. Okay, even this one also, it is b-rolls of the location. Okay, even this here too, it is the b-rolls guys. So now you see the music video, it is looking nice. Okay, so let's come back over here on this auto edit. We're gonna see some things which we can add or need, for example, like an effect, transition, yeah, something like that. Okay, so let's come here on this effect. Here we have the manual and AI. For example, here there is some more effect. Okay, so for example, let me try to add this transition. Okay, so let me click on this clip, and you have to come here for this auto edit. When you choose any effect you want, you have to come here and press here on insert at the playhead. Okay, so then you have to wait the few seconds. Okay, now you see this playhead is already in. Okay, this one. Now when you play, guys, you see this effect is already in. Okay, so for example, let me try to find another one. When I just want to add this paint here, guys, for example. Okay, let me add this paint. I have to click here on this add insert at the playhead. So this is the line of that. Okay, you see how it is. You can just increase or decrease, depends, yes, for your choice. You see, guys, how it is. Okay, even here to, for example, let me add this green screen clip. Okay, so I just want to add the green screen clip. Let me just add it where you want. Okay, so I have to click here also on insert at the playhead. You see how it is this one, but I have to remove this green. Okay, so the things I have to do, come here for this project panel and then choose this effect, and then on this effect you have to type Ultra key. You have to drag or drop it here on this clip, and then come here for this effect control. You see this is Ultra key settings, and then use this color key, this icon, to pick on this green. You see, now you see the green is already removed. So for example, I can decrease. You see, guys, this green screen, it is taller than this clip. I have to right click on it, go on this speed duration, and then let me try to reduce the size of it. Okay, something like this. So when I play something like that, guys, yeah, it can also works like transition, guys. Okay, now you see how it is. So now let me go here on this AI and let's see how this AI effect works. Okay, for example, I just want to add the camera shake on my video clip. Okay, so let me, for example, you can choose one clip, or you can choose one effect, or double. Okay, let me choose camera shake and this film band. Okay, so let me come here for this effect intensity. Let me try to add like 5. Okay, and then, guys, when you add more numbers, that means those effect, it can be duplicated. It can be added to more on this clip. Okay, so let me just add those 2 clips, and then let me choose this 5, and then let's click here on add VFX. Here I have to wait just a few seconds. Okay, okay, guys, you see it is already done. So now first let me check where my effect it is. Okay, you see, guys, here on this track, on this V9 is where my effect it is. So let me check it first, and then where the effect is goes. Here there is also issues. Okay, so let me check this one too. You see, guys, where this effect it is. So this is nice, guys. Okay, all right, so now you see where here maybe it is 5, 1 2 3 4 5 maybe. Okay, because I have already, remember, I have already choose here 5%. Okay, so if you choose 20, maybe you can receive more clip, more effects here on the V9. Okay, so something like that. Okay, so you see, guys, this film band, it is also the effect and also seems like transition, guys. Okay, and then so here too, let me come back here to on this text here. Also we have some different kinds of text template. For example, if I just want to add this template here, for example, I can just click here on this, insert at the play held. Okay, so now you see, you will save this template text, and then you have to double click on it. Now you will see here there is some essential graphic of this text here. You can just write like music. Now when you see this is you see, guys, the music is already here, and here also you can type anything you want in. It will also be displayed here on this screen, guys. So, and then this is how this auto edit works. Okay, now you see, guys, I have already edited my whole music video. Okay,
igihe nzaba ndi mumva muzabeshya ko mukinkunda gusa nyine nibikunda baranzina kuri hino iyi rap niyo moramo ibyana bifata amano izo bitch bazinagamo umuhanda nyuramo ndi kwiruka aho ngeze.
I think now you got the final result of this auto edit. So guys, I need your feedback. So if you like this video, guys, please don't forget to make subscribe. I know for someone it's gonna be helpful to them. Okay, and like, share, and comment. Yes, leave your thumbs up, etc, something like that, and then I will see you in next video. Peace.